Hello friends, welcome to prepacks.com. In today's video, we're going to learn how to design your own custom chillums. Click on the design your own button here at the top of the homepage. Clicking on that tab brings us to our quantity selection page. For today's example, we're going to go ahead and select the design your own 6 count. Brings us to our product information page where we can then click the customize button. Once we click that, we can see that the customize page will load. A couple important notes to read, namely using well-lit high contrast photos and extending your graphics to cover the entire space of the label, as well as keeping text and important graphic features away from the edges to account for a slight bleed. Okay, so we have a little Customize Me tab that we can go ahead and eliminate here. On our right, we have some preloaded imagery and graphics. The button below that is a upload button. So this is where we can upload our own images and graphics. And the button below that allows us to type text and place that over our label design. I'm going to go ahead and select the upload button. And you can see I've already uploaded a picture of Lulu, my beloved Lulu. I'm going to go ahead and click that picture. So as you can see, this picture doesn't fill up the entire label space. So I'm going to increase the size of this picture of Lulu. So that way I have no white space at the top, sides, or bottoms here. And as you can see, I still have some white space here. So a couple of things I could do. I could either rotate this image of Lulu and increase the size of the picture from here, but I'm not sure that I like that because I have some cutoff. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate that back. I'm going to move it over to the side, and I do still have some white space here. For today's example, I'm going to go ahead to the imagery and filler. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go down and select colored backgrounds, and I'm going to select a pink filler background because pink is Lulu's favorite color. I'm going to increase the size of that filler. So I'm going to push that up to the edge of my photograph. Now I've covered all the white space on the label. I'm going to add some text. So I'll come over here and click on our text button. It's Lulu's birthday coming up, so I'm going to make a pipe for that event. Happy birthday, Lulu. Okay, I'm going to stagger this text by pressing return, and I'm going to orient it in the way that I want. And as you can see, it's a little too big to fit on my label. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to decrease the font size down to 50. Great, that's much better. And as you can see, I'm careful not to place my text too close to the edge of the label. That's important. Make sure that's centered. And I'm going to put that font into black, this color selection here. So now that I have my graphics and text all laid out, I'm going to go ahead to the bottom left-hand corner and preview what my chillum is going to look like. Happy birthday, Lulu. I have a picture of Lulu. She's looking great. Excellent. There's the mouthpiece. There's the flower chamber. There's the cap and my label on my chillum. So everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and close that preview. I'm going to come down, scroll down a little bit, and add that to cart. Now remember, this is a 6 count, so 6 chillums come in this order. I want 12 chillums for this party coming up, so I'm going to increase that to 2. So now I have 2 6-packs. I have a total of 12 Happy Birthday Lulu chillums. I'm going to go ahead and check out. All right, so now we're on our checkout page. This is where you're going to enter your information, your shipping address, your billing information. If you have a discount code, you can enter that over here in the top right. And from there, it's as simple as continuing to check out, and your 6-packs will arrive in the mail in a couple weeks.